Are you looking for a stylish and unique top to add to your DIY wardrobe? In this tutorial, we're going to sew the Parker top, which you can easily make from scratch in 1 hour. This top features beautiful off-the-shoulder neckline, cute adjustable tie detail on the sleeve opening, and comfortable hugging elastic around your shoulders. Hello, welcome to Fashion Wonder. My name is Sunju, the creator of this channel to help you buy less, sew more, and make DIY clothing. I used a poly blend cotton fabric for this project, but you can use non-stretch fabrics such as poplin, cotton, or lawn in a solid or print of your choice. Did you pick your fabric already? Let's get started. The measurement of front top pattern piece is 16 3/4 inches or 42.5 centimeters in length, and 9 1/4 inch or 23.5 centimeters wide, with the neck opening of 6 3/4 inches or 17 centimeters wide. Cut this pattern on fold to prepare sewing. The measurement of back top pattern piece is 16 3/4 inches or 42.5 centimeters in length, and 11 1/4 inches or 28.5 centimeters wide, with the neck opening of 8 3/4 inches or 22 centimeters wide. Cut this pattern on fold as well to prepare sewing. This top is pretty easy to make a pattern yourself, but if you want to skip this step, I'll put a link for the Parker top sewing pattern in the description below. To sew off the shoulder top, lay right side of the front top and back top facing each other and match to pin along the side seams. Sew 3/8 of an inch with straight stitch on both side seams and overlock to finish. Press the side seams facing towards the back top. Next, prepare 2 pieces of the front sleeve pattern that are 13 inches or 33 centimeters long, neck opening of 5.5 inches or 14 centimeters, and the sleeve opening of 11 3/4 inches or 29.8 centimeters wide. Set aside 2 pieces of back sleeve pattern that have same measurement as front sleeve pattern, except armhole opening is 2.5 inches or 6.35 centimeters by 2 inches or 5 centimeters in depth. If you're having difficulty creating a smooth curved armhole and need assistance, I'll share the Parker top sewing pattern in the description below for you to follow. To sew sleeve tie detail on the sleeve, separately overlock stitch along the long cut edges of the sleeve on front and back sleeve. Place the right sides of front and back sleeve facing each other and line up the overlock stitches together. Measure 6 inches up from the sleeve hem and pin along the cut edges till the neck opening. Straight stitch along the pin line with 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance and press the seam open. Edge top stitch around the sleeve opening. Place right side of the front sleeve and back sleeve facing each other and pin. Sew underarm sleeve 3/8 of an inch with straight stitch and overlock to finish. Press seam toward the back sleeve. Next, assemble off the shoulder sleeve to the bodice by matching side seams of the bodice and sleeve, then pin along around the underarm. Straight stitch 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance and overlock to finish. Lastly, draw a long rectangular strap for neck opening that is 28 3/4 inches or 73 centimeters long by 2 3/4 inch or 7 centimeters wide. This is unfold so your total length of the pattern piece will be 57.5 inches or 146 centimeters long. To make tunnel for elastic neck opening, place right side of the neckline opening pieces facing each other. Join to make one piece with 3/8 of an inch with straight stitch and overlock stitch to create a giant loop. Fold the neckline opening, place right side facing each other lengthwise and give a gentle press to indicate total width. Slide right side of the strap and right side of the bodice to pin around it. Leave 2 inches opening, sew 3/8 of an inch with straight stitch and overlock the edges. Prepare 1 inch with elastic that is 42 inches long. Use safety pin to slide one end of the elastic through the tunnel to come out of the other end. Overlap the ends of elastic about 1/2 inch and zigzag stitch or create a rectangular box to join. Close the 2 inches opening gap and overlock the ends. Press the overlock seams facing towards the hemline. Lastly, Double fold the hem of the bodice with 1/4 inch width and straight stitch all around the finish. Additionally, double fold 1/4 inch width along the sleeve opening and edge top stitch. Press all around the top before wearing your finished Parker top. Thank you for watching. Hope this video inspires you to make the Parker top with me. If you like this sewing tutorial video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next sewing challenge. Scroll down to the description below to locate the Parker top sewing pattern. Additionally, you can find step-by-step picture instruction on the website for you to follow. Share your DIY top on Instagram at #FashionWonderOfficial to get featured and follow us for more inspiration. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!